Love letter. I already covered the Batman version. This time, we are focusing on the lying part. Because somehow, one card is enough to start bluffing. Love letter is a very small card game, where your goal is simple. Eliminate other players, or end the round with the highest card. That's it. That's the problem. You start with one card. On your turn, you draw another. So now you have two. You play one, use its effect, and hope it doesn't backfire. Get eliminated, you're out. Simple rules, but not for simple mind. You will look at your one card and start acting like you know what you're doing. You don't. This game is not about strategy. It's about what people think you have. You will say things like, "Don't target me, I have the king," which immediately makes you suspicious, especially when you say it out loud. You will try to look confident while holding the weakest card in the game. You can't even fake patterns. Play a card that makes people think you're holding something stronger, and suddenly they think they understand you. They don't. Playing Love Letter feels like being in a conversation where everyone is lying about something very small. You will eliminate someone and feel smart for about 10 seconds. Then someone guesses your card and you're out. You had one card and still lost control of the situation. You're not outplaying people, you're out bluffing them. It's incredibly simple. You can teach it under a minute. It's the perfect game to start the night, and everyone feels different. And the bluffing actually works. It's like standing in the forest at night, perfectly still, pretending you know exactly what's around you, hoping nothing calls your bluff. It's very luck-driven. Sometimes you get eliminated immediately, and there was nothing you could do. And if you don't enjoy bluffing, this won't do much for you. With no surprise, Love Letter gets 8 suspicious looks out of 10. It's simple, it's fast, and it's prove one thing. Give people one card, and they will still lie about it. If you like bluffing games, this is a great one. If you hate getting called out, this game will find you. Alright, if you like this review, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for more honest board game review, and tell me in the comment. Are you good at bluffing, or you're the first one out? See you next time.